On our previous class, we have already discussed about some methods, some array methods of JavaScript, and before that class we have already discussed about different data types. All those links you will get in description or in this I button somewhere here you will get. You can go through that. Now in this class we will cover some more array methods. Okay. First, I will suggest you to watch at least that previous array class, because without that you will not be able to understand these things. I think it may be tough. Okay. So at already we have discussed. Let us discuss concat, join several arrays into one. So I am using a simple console of web browser. So open Google Chrome, then press F12 or any browser and open developer console. We have an array A which contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let us create another variable B which contains 10 11 12. Okay. Now let us concatenate A and B. Okay, so it will result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 12. Okay, first array with second array. Now index of returns the first position at which a given element appears in an array. So A has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 elements. Suppose we want to know the position. Let us take the example of names array. We know the index number starts from 0, means the index of Ramesh is 0, the index of Suresh is 1. So by writing names dot at 0, we can print the name of Ramesh. But if we write Ramesh dot index of names dot index of Ramesh, then it will print its index. Okay. Now suppose we have two different names. So let us write names dot push Ramesh. Now print names. So in our names array we have two Ramesh, one at starting and one at ending. But if you write names dot index of Ramesh, it will return you 0. Okay, the first occurrence of Ramesh. So that's why I wrote here the first position at which a given element appears in an array. Then join combines elements of an array into a single string and returns the string. So suppose we will write names dot join. So Ramesh, Suresh, Mahesh, Vignesh all are joined into a single array, a single string. Okay. Suppose you will write simply names. See these brackets, it means it is still an array. Okay. But if you write names dot join, then now see on both sides we have this apostrophe or single quote, sorry. Okay. So it's single quote means these all are now a single string. All the elements are combined to a single string. Okay. So let us write names dot join hyphen. So by default it joins by a comma, but if you want to use any other letter except comma, maybe hyphen, maybe a space. Let us use a space. Okay, you can use any letter to join those elements. So those elements will be joined by that letter. Okay, similarly again to split that, okay, we will go one by one. So join, then last index of gives the last position at which a given element appears in an array. So we have already seen index of here. So Ramesh, in names array, the first occurrence of Ramesh is at 0th index, but using last index of Ramesh will give us 4, the last occurrence of Ramesh. Okay, then push already I have shown you, adds a new element at the end. Pop removes the last element of an array. So here the last element of array is Ramesh. If I will write names dot pop, then it will remove Ramesh. Okay, now see, let us write names again. So it has only 4 elements, so it removes that element and returns the same element. Okay, if I write x, let x equal names dot pop, so it will remove bigness, but now print x. This bigness is stored in x. Okay, so names dot pop removes the last element and also returns it. If we assign that return value to any variable, then we will get that. Okay, then reverse the order of the elements in an array. So now see, in A, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is in this order. Now let us write A dot reverse. So 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, it reverses the order. Okay, shift removes the first element of an array. So when we are using pop, it removes the last element. Okay, but when you use shift, now let us print A again. See, the first element is removed. Okay, so to remove the last element we will use pop, and to remove the first element we will use shift. Then slice pulls a copy of a portion of an array into a new array. Okay, now let us clear this. Suppose we will write A dot slice. Okay, so it will accept 2 values, start and end. So let us say start is 1 and end is 3. So it is returning 5 and 4. Okay, start is 1, it is our index number. Okay, start. Then 3 is the element number. Okay, now let us write A dot slice 3, 3. So 3 index number means 0 1 2 3, this element, right? And third element means this is 4. So this slice will result you an empty array, it will not return anything. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, let us write 5. So now it will return this 3 and 2. Okay, if you want to return all the values, then you can write 0 and the length of the array. Okay, so from 0 to length of the array, it will return the complete array. Okay, then sort splice to string on shift. This sorts element alphabetically, but actually it will, okay, let us show here. A dot sort, so 2 3 4 5 6, let us create a new array. let y equal 12, 15, 3, 17, 6, 18. Okay, now y dot sort is sorting that array 12, 15, 17, 18, 3, 6. Now let us say y dot push 10, y dot push 101, and let us say y dot sort. Okay, see 10, 101, 12, 15, 17, 18, 3, 6. So is it sorting properly? No. So to sort it properly, we have to pass a function here. Okay, this is a simple arrow function. So here we will write a comma b, and here b minus a. Okay, so now it will sort properly. See 101, 18, 17, 15, 12, 10, 6 and 3. If you write a comma a minus b, then it will sort in ascending order 3, 6, 10, 12, 15, 17, 18, 103. Okay, and rest some array methods we will discuss in our next video, which will be coming on Saturday same time. Okay.